Good morning, Ambon, pero maaraw. Today is Sunday, September 28 na tayo, guys, and time check 8:15 ng umaga. So, punta na tayo ng church. Tayo ay nakapag-ayos na. Today is CF Sunday. CF, ibig sabihin ng CF ay Christian Young Adult Fellowship. So, ito yung mga young professional, yung mga kabataan na working na. Pero active pa rin sila sa church at patuloy na nagsaserve, patuloy na ginagamit ang kanilang mga talento na nagbibigay ng oras. Medyo magulo pa yung ating shoe rack. Happy CF Sunday! So ito na nga guys, excited ang lahat sa gawain ito. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang special number ng mga kabataang ito kay gaganda ng mga boses. Wow, hindi lang pala basta kanta, meron din pala silang dance na kasama.
Reklamo sa CWA. Ano? Buo niyo yung pagkain props doon.
Kasi mulo ako. After picture take. Peanut butter.
Social lang pa naman natin na.
Nutella.
Hindi ka sumama doon sa sinya.
CWA na ako.
Kinuha niya na eh.
Yes. Happy CF Sunday.
Ay, nasa na ba?
Happy CF! Naka-record tayo. Maraming blessings.
One eternity later.
Lagi yan. First.
9. Siyempre, love your family.
Ako yan. Thank you po.
At 9, 10.
Listener.
Sorry ko na ayaw naman. Nauna pa si alcohol. Sabi nga kanina sa Nelson. Number 10. Serve the Lord faithfully.
Ako yan.
Serve the Lord
Dami niya. Enjoy yan. Sige. Maraming distraction.
Ang sabi sa Philippians 4:4, rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say, rejoice.
Ako yan pa rin. Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. Picture!
One hour later.
Iwan. Ang picture taker ba? Iwan ang ground floor. Ground. Upper ground.
A few moments later.
Lamentations 3:22. The faithful love of the Lord never ends. His mercies never cease. Jeremiah saw one ray of hope in all the sin and sorrow surrounding him. The faithful love of the Lord never ends. Great is His faithfulness. His mercies begin afresh in the morning. God willingly responds with help when we ask. Perhaps there is some sin in your life that you thought God would not forgive. God's steadfast love and mercy are greater than any sin, and He promises forgiveness. Lamentations 3:22. The faithful love of the Lord never ends. His mercies never cease. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching TSM, The Simple Mom. See you again tomorrow for another day of vlogging. Good night.